Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one that.
Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess and it is officially Vanuary. So Vanuary is January, which is my birthday month, and I kind of celebrate this month. So I do more hauls, more videos. I try to go out of the box and do things that I normally wouldn't do. So stay tuned. I know I haven't uploaded like that. I've been kind of just in this funk. My son had got COVID as well, so we were quarantining and it was just a lot of work. So that's why I have been absent from my channel, but I am back. He is well, everything is fine, and I wish that all of you are fine. If you haven't seen any of my new videos for Vanuary, I will have a playlist down in the bottom bar for you. This unit is part of the Vanuary series and it is from Unice Hair. I wanted to try something new, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I struggled in this video. That's what makes it better, in my opinion, because y'all see I am trying something different. I struggled, but the outcome actually came out good. So now I know the next time the things that I should do and don't do when I'm doing this hairstyle, okay? Because I do want to do this hairstyle again. I just love it. I've been wanting the half up, half down for so long. I just did not know how to do it, but today I tried it and I think it came out really, really good. And I have some new hair, a new color, a new style. Everything about this is new. Like, y'all don't see me with this color hair. Y'all don't see me with this hairstyle, okay? I am feeling it. I am loving it. And yeah, stay tuned because I'm going to do start to finish styling in this video. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, let's chat down in the comments, share this video, and like it. I love y'all. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Today's video is in collaboration with Unice Hair. Okay, so this is the packaging and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the contents. So this is the red box that it will come in, and then there's hair, and then there's also another bag of goodies. Okay, so inside the bag of goodies is eyelashes, a nude wig cap, a satin scarf, as well as a snake print wig brush. Okay, and this unit is a 13x4 honey blonde deep wave frontal wig. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. So now we're going to apply the wig. I did wash the unit. So I'm going to be applying the Got To Be glue spray, but I'm also trying to figure out what hairstyle I want to do because I really don't know how I feel about this color. So you're going to see me kind of like going back and forth with different ideas. So first I started spraying it, but then I noticed like I don't like how the hair is just sitting up, like it's like standing up. So I decided to go in and hot comb the edges away from my face. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. Then I went in and I parted it like a C part, but then I was like, nah, I don't like the way that looks either. So I was looking, I was like, all right, my edges are laid. So this is where you see me kind of spraying the Got To Be glued again, and I put the I tried to lay my edges down by using the spray, Got To Be glue spray, and the elastic band. So then I was like, you know what, I want to try to do a half up and a half down style. So now you see me sectioning my hair. Okay, and I kind of was panicking in my head a little bit because I'm just like, I don't know how this is gonna come out, but I really just want to try it. So then I just started hot combing the hair just to lay it down. And this is where I got nervous because I'm like, I'm taking all the curls out of the hair. So if this doesn't come out right, what am I going to do? That would have mean I would have had to wash the unit all over again and start from scratch. So I had to make it work. So I just kept hot combing the hair in the direction that I wanted. I took that part out of there, and as you can see, I'm going in. Okay, I'm hot combing, and I'm hot combing. All right, and I'm just going to put it in a scrunchie. I actually put 2 scrunchies together. Okay, I'm making it as tight as possible. Then I took a piece and I just wrapped it around the top, and then I sprayed it. So now I'm like, okay, that don't look too bad. I actually like the way that looks. So I took the elastic band off, but I'm like, of course I need to go in and add some baby hairs. Girl, I should have did the baby hairs first, but I'm cutting the lace. Okay, I'm just gonna cut all the way around the lace, and we could secure whatever is not, like, you know, sitting later. But now I'm trying to take the baby hairs out, and of course I'm messing up my ponytail because the baby hairs is tight in there. Okay, so I would definitely recommend that before you do your ponytail, that you kind of do your edges. And of course I would have did it that way, but I told you it wasn't the style I was originally going to go for. Okay, it just kind of wind up happening and coming to me at the last minute, like, okay, now we're gonna try this then. So normally I would have curled the baby hair first, but the curling iron was nowhere near me, and I honestly just wanted to just get to the styling. So I used a little bit of the Got to Be Glued, and I just started doing the swoop. Okay, and I also wanted to take out my edges, and I really wanted to have some dramatic edges, girl. So I did some swoops, but they were big swoops. And my edge, like right here by my sideburns, I really wanted them to be a little bit, you know, gaudy. Like I wanted them to be like real thick. So I tried to do the same thing on this side, but I definitely angled where I did the baby hair on this side a little off. So you will see that it's kind of like to the side, and I wish I would have did it kind of like a little bit more higher. So I didn't really care for how this side came out, but it didn't look too bad. So I'm just cutting. I'm doing the same exact thing that I did on the other side. I'm going to do on this side. And I'm only telling you my mistakes so that you can go in and kind of like, you know, not make the mistakes that I made. So as you can see, I'm messing my whole entire ponytail up, but don't worry, we're gonna have to do that all over again. Okay, and I did cut out some of the stuff that I did wrong as well, because this was like my third time doing my ponytail over, girl. So it would have been a 45-minute tutorial. But yeah, so I want to take the pieces out, and then I'm gonna take that Got to Be Glue spray again, and we're gonna spray down the edges so that it will stay down. I'm gonna hot comb that hair going away from the edges, and then we are going to add that elastic band back down to lay them to lay my edges and my baby hairs. And then we're gonna work on the ponytail all over again. Okay, so when you lay lay the wig down and secure the wig, do your edges first, then separate your hair and do the ponytail. Okay, and I'm still hot combing because I want it to be so, like, I want it to be really, really just neat. Okay, and also my braids underneath should be going back, but they aren't, so that's why it's not as flat as it could have been. So I will also suggest that your braids are going back. Okay, I have mine's going down to the side, so it's a little thick, and I only have 2 braids, so it's not as flat, but you can't really tell. Okay, so now that I did that, it's dry, and I'm gonna take that off, and now I'm gonna cut the baby hairs. They are long, and I'm just basically going to kind of swoop them the same way I did the other 2 baby hairs. And I took my time with this because I wanted it to be really, really cute, and I love the way it came out. Like I have it slicked down, but then I have like the ends kind of like just flowing. So that is pretty much it. This is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for the portion where I tell you about the wig and the specs. Okay, so I am back and this is my finished look, y'all, and I am so in love with my hair. Okay, this style is so pretty. I love it. And even though I did not like this color originally, I think that it actually came out good. It's giving me Goldilocks and the Three Little Bears. Okay, but I still really like the way it looked. It came out really good. I'm proud of myself for this to be my first time really trying to do a half up, half down, like a real one. I think I did a great job. What do y'all think? Okay, let's get into the specs of this hair. This hair is from Unice Hair. This is their honey blonde with brown roots deep wave wig. It is a lace front and it is 150% density, and it is a 13x4 lace frontal. Okay, so you get 4 inches of parting space, which isn't a lot, but it didn't even matter for this hairstyle because I really just wanted to have it like up and out of my face, and I love the way it came out. So this unit is in 24 inches. For it to be 150% density and deep wave, I do feel like it feels more like 100%. Like this is all of the hair in the front, to the front. So for me, it is giving a little thin. It's giving way more natural, but it's not a bad thing because I think this came out really good. But I would have loved to have this in 200% density. I think 200% density would have set this all the way off. Okay, but I love it. Okay, so this wig did not shed a lot at all. I did not do any plucking whatsoever. I definitely feel like I should do just a little plucking to the front, but it doesn't even look bad without the plucking, so I probably won't. Honestly, I like the way it looks. There was not a lot of shedding. Like I said, I don't get any tangling, no snagging. The hair is really soft. Washing it was very easy. This hair can be colored. It is blonde, as you can see. If you want to put another color over it, do an ombre or something like that, or dye it darker, you can definitely do that and it will come out amazing. As far as products, I did not leave in any leave-in conditioner. I didn't add any products. This is the hair in its natural state. No product left in it whatsoever. Okay, and as you can see, it has like a very pretty deep wave. It's like real loose, the waves. It's like deep but loose, if that makes any sense. Okay, and let me just step back so you can see it comes literally to the bottom of my breast. And yeah, I don't have any complaints. If I had to give this a rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because honestly I don't have any issues with the hair at all. Very easy to style. Very easy to style, so I would give it a 10 out of 10. If you want to go get this unit, I would say definitely give it a try. I will have all the links to Unice Hair down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what was your favorite part. Let me know if you would get this unit, and if you do, what would you do with it? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let's chat down in the comments, and of course subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. You know you want to see more videos. You know you want to come back to see more videos. Okay, so I will speak to you in the next video. Bye, y'all.